Have you ever looked at a map and felt a pull, a quiet whisper telling you that a world of adventure is waiting just for you? It's a feeling many women have, a dream of exploring ancient cities, remote beaches, bustling markets. Yet this dream often comes with a shadow of doubt. You might hear voices from others and voices from within. These concerns are completely valid. We are taught from a young age to be cautious and to be aware of our surroundings. The idea of navigating an unfamiliar place by yourself can feel daunting. The world can be unpredictable. It's natural to have fears about safety, loneliness, and the unknown. Let's address those fears head-on. The narrative that solo female travel is inherently reckless is outdated and simply untrue. Be prepared and smart. Millions of women travel solo every year. They return with tales of empowerment, newfound confidence, and personal growth. The myth of constant danger often overshadows the rewards. Traveling alone gives you ultimate freedom. You set the schedule. You choose the adventure. You decide when to rest or when to push your boundaries. Reconnect with yourself, away from expectations and routines. This guide is your key to unlocking that freedom safely and confidently. The true beauty of solo. Before you even pack your bags, your most powerful safety tool is in the palm of your hand, your smartphone. In 2025, digital preparation is non-negotiable for the solo traveler. Start by downloading essential apps that act as your safety net. Offline maps, Maps.me. Google Maps with downloaded regions navigate without a data connection. Google Translate, use the camera function to read signs and menus instantly. Safety apps, Noonlight safety apps, Be Safe alert contacts or authorities with the touch of a button if you feel compromised. Your online research matters. Join female travel groups on Facebook. Look for up-to-the-minute reports from women currently at your destination. Ask about safe neighborhoods. Ask about reliable taxi companies. Ask about local customs. Now, packing. Packing is a strategic part of your safety plan. Pack a portable power bank to keep your phone charged. Pack a rubber doorstop for extra room security. Pack a small first aid kit, bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, personal medications. Pack a personal safety alarm, a keychain device that emits a loud noise to draw help. Make digital copies of your passport, visa, driver's license, credit cards. Upload them to Google Drive or Dropbox. Email copies to yourself and a trusted emergency contact. Once you arrive, your situational awareness becomes your greatest asset. The key is to project confidence and blend in. Even when you feel completely new and uncertain, start by observing the locals. Dress, walk, interact, mirror their pace and demeanor. Don't stand on a corner looking lost with a giant paper map. Step into a cafe or shop and check your phone discreetly. Walk with purpose, keep your head up. Make brief eye contact to signal awareness. Transportation can be managed with planning. Research reliable transport from the airport to your accommodation. Official airport taxis, Uber, Bolt, double-check the license plate and driver's photo. Travel public transport during daylight when it's busier. Sit near the driver or in a well-populated car. Keep your bag on your lap or between your feet. Never on the overhead rack. Never on an empty seat beside you. Enjoying nightlife solo. Be strategic. Know your limits if you drink. Never leave your drink unattended. Always watch your drink being poured. Start your evening earlier for golden hour. Head back before it gets very late and transport options thin out. Use a trusted rideshare to leave or have staff call an official taxi. Don't hail from the street in the dark. Be smart with valuables. Don't flash jewelry. Don't display cameras. Don't carry large amounts of cash. Keep a small amount of daily cash accessible. Be extra vigilant in crowded tourist spots, in busy markets, and on public transit. Adopt these habits to navigate with calm and control and enjoy the experience. One of the most powerful and honestly underrated safety tools you possess is your intuition. That gut feeling, the little voice in the back of your head that says something isn't right here, is a primal survival mechanism honed over millennia. As women, we're often socialized to be polite, to not make a fuss, to give people the benefit of the doubt. But when you are traveling solo, you must unlearn this habit. If a person feels off, if a street feels off, if a situation feels off, well, it is. You don't need to justify it or rationalize it. Just remove yourself from the situation immediately. Cross the street, walk into a busy shop, turn around, and go back the way you came. Trusting your intuition isn't rude. It's your ultimate act of self-preservation. Connecting with others can be a wonderful part of solo travel, and it can also enhance your safety. Look for opportunities to connect with local women, other female travelers. Staying in a female-only dorm at a hostel is a great way to meet like-minded people and share safety tips. You can join a local cooking class, a walking tour, maybe a workshop. These group settings provide a safe, structured way to socialize. When you make a connection, you combat loneliness and build a temporary support network. Having someone who knows your plans for the day, someone you can check in with, adds security and peace of mind. Empowering yourself with basic self-defense knowledge boosts confidence. You don't need to be a martial arts expert. Consider a one-day self-defense workshop before your trip. A crucial part of feeling secure on the road is having a solid emergency plan. Hope for the best, but prepare for the worst. Before you leave, identify the emergency contact number for your destination. It's not always 911, and save it in your phone. Know the location and contact information for your country's embassy or consulate. This is your lifeline. Lost passport, a serious medical issue. A major crisis. Make sure your emergency contact back home has copies of all your important documents and a general idea of your itinerary. Having these pieces in place means that if something does go wrong, you have a clear, pre-planned course of action that reduces panic and helps you resolve the issue efficiently. Building mental strength is just as important as your physical safety preparations. Solo travel will inevitably have moments that are challenging. You might feel lonely. You might feel overwhelmed. You might feel homesick. This is completely normal. The key to resilience is acknowledging these feelings without letting them derail your journey. Practice mindfulness. Try simple meditation techniques. Keep a journal to process your thoughts and emotions. Remind yourself of why you started this journey in the first place. Challenging moments are temporary. Overcoming them builds character and makes the good moments even more rewarding. Your financial security is another pillar of your emergency preparedness. Don't rely on a single source of money. Carry at least 2 different credit or debit cards. Store them in separate places. Have a small stash of emergency cash, $100 or euros, hidden in a separate, secure location. Finally, step into the world with a heart full of courage. You have done the research. You have packed the tools. You have honed your awareness. You have trusted your intuition. Now is the time to embrace the life-altering power of solo travel. This journey proves a woman's place is wherever she wants it to be. Collect passport stamps, collect stories, collect friendships, collect a profound sense of self. Go see the world. See it with open eyes and a prepared mind. You're ready. You are capable. An unforgettable adventure is waiting for you. Travel boldly, travel safely, and let the journey transform you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more travel guides, hidden gems, and tips to make your next adventure unforgettable.